अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अगेन माय चैनल गेमिंग।
तो जी जो आज की जो हमारी वीडियो में जिसमें हम अनबॉक्सिंग करने जा रहे हैं वो है MSI 434 CQ1 गेमिंग मॉनिटर 165 हर्ट्ज है, 34 इंच स्क्रीन है इसकी। तो इसकी स्पेसिफिकेशन के बारे में आपको बैंक बताएंगे।
Thanks Majid bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. The MSI Artymis 343 CQR is a high-performance gaming monitor with a curved display, high refresh rate and HDR support, making it a great choice for gamers and content creators alike. I recommend visiting MSI's official website or checking recent product reviews and announcements from trusted sources. MSI monitor specifications and features. 1. Display size and type. The monitor has a 34-inch screen size, which is quite large, and it uses a curved VA vertical alignment panel. VA panels typically offer good contrast and color reproduction. 2. Resolution. It features a Quad HD QHD resolution of 3440 by 1440 pixels, providing a sharp and detailed image quality. 3. Refresh rate. The MSI Artymis 343 CQR boasts a high refresh rate, often 165 Hz or 200 Hz, which is excellent for smooth gaming experiences. 4. Response time. It has a fast response time, which is important for reducing motion blur in fast-paced games. The exact response time may vary. 5. Curved design. The monitor has a curved screen, which can enhance immersion and reduce distortion at the edges of the screen. 6. HDR support. It likely supports high dynamic range (HDR) content, which can provide better contrast and a wider range of colors for compatible games and media. 7. FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility. These technologies help reduce screen tearing and stuttering in games, providing a smoother gaming experience. It's essential to verify the specific models that this monitor is compatible with. 8. Connectivity. The MSI Artymis 343 CQR typically includes a variety of connectivity options, such as DisplayPort, HDMI, and USB ports, to accommodate multiple devices. 9. RGB lighting. It may come with customizable RGB lighting features, common in gaming peripherals. 10. Curved base design. The stand and base design are often aesthetically designed to match the gaming theme. Gaming features. MSI gaming monitors often come with additional gaming features such as customizable gaming modes. The price of the MSI Artymis 343 CQR can vary depending on the specific model and its features, but it's generally in the mid to high-end range due to its premium gaming features and large, high-quality display. The MSI Artymis 343 CQR, and it's always a good idea to check the official MSI website or product. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.